This PC is old, free, and absolutely not ready for what I'm about to do to it. Hello everyone, my name is Smokey, and today we are going to be looking at this Dell Inspiron 620 Office PC that I got for free from a family member. They didn't need it anymore, it's an old outdated PC, and we're going to see how well it starts up, what operating system is on it, what it has on it for CPU and all that kind of stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and we are going to test it and see how many tabs it can open on hopefully Google Chrome. If we can't get Google Chrome, we're going to use whatever basic operating system came on the PC. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into it. Right now I have the PC under the desk here, and it does have the boot light on, so it's ready to be turned on. With that PC, I did get the original keyboard that normally comes with said PC. However, I didn't get the mouse. Mouse was something I couldn't get. Okay, and we're gonna turn this on and hope she works. There we go. Alrighty, it is giving us the welcome to Windows screen. I have it pulled up now. We have it open. Appears to be running Windows 7. We're going into the computer as it loads up super slowly, just to see what sort of hardware this thing has. So we are running an i3 2120. We have 6 gigabytes of RAM, and like I said before, we are running Windows 7. Home Premium, by the way. Can't forget the Home Premium. It's Windows, it has to be Home Premium. So that works. Let's go ahead and see if we have Google on this thing already. It's not pulling up by that. Maybe it's under Chrome. Okay, we do not seem to have it. Seem to have Internet Explorer here, so we're going to go ahead and open that. And we're going to see about getting Chrome downloaded, hopefully. Alrighty, guys. Smoky Circuits here. Just wanting to pop in and kind of inform you guys that the video clip that you're seeing here is me going through the process of opening tabs in Microsoft. I believe it's Internet Explorer, which becomes Bing and all that. As you can see here, there's some glitching going on in the system. Some of the tabs are kind of glitching out, not working correctly. I am trying to get as much information on the tabs in their condition as possible. Opening some tabs here, showing some of the details as to what's happening on the PC at the moment. As you can see, the computer is running a bit slower than what it normally would, and you can see some of the CPU usage and RAM usage and all of that stuff there in the status menu that I have pulled up. I keep opening tabs and stuff, just continuing through the whole process. I did lose my clip of me reacting to the computer and what happened to it, but you will see here in the clip that's being shown, it recorded the whole thing. Just my perspective didn't get recorded. Other than that, yeah. So the results of the Inspiron 720 are that it shut itself down at about 1,700 tabs. Sadly, I did not get to record that as my camera decided that it was going to die, and so I missed that footage. However, I do have the footage from recording the computer itself. I'm going to go ahead and have that played for you guys in the video. However, the boot light still did come on the PC after it shut itself off. So most likely the PC still can be used. So I'm going to leave it up to you guys on what you want to see me do next to this PC. And with further ado, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day and stay smoky.